I don't know what Fun-Boy-FAGS is smoking over the FBI Coir factory, but that's definitely not 15 litres. So, yeah. Yeah. She's breaking up, Captain. She's breaking up. It's been raining all day, but yeah. See if I can get the label for you. Put it in the bin here. Definitely said 15. Yeah, here, somewhere here. Definitely said 15 litres somewhere on here. Yeah, there we go, 15. 15 litres, you know, let's get it on Spot Cullen, of course. Let's get it on Spot Cullen, you won't be able to see it otherwise. There you go, Spot Cullen. 15 litres, that's definitely not 15 litres. Okay, over and out, see ya. It's a fun one today. Oh.